my voice?
Yes.
And here we have this mere little creek that's swollen almost over its banks, but still, the Sepulveda Dam regulates all the water from the northwestern part of the San Fernando Valley. As you can see, the water has risen almost to the bottom of the Burbank Bridge. In 1993, water rose 4 feet above the top surface of the bridge, stranding and submersing a fire truck. But this year's rains are nothing near what we had earlier, but our season has just begun. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching X Warm X and narrated by B.D. Seidler.